Hello friends, welcome to the DSA series of linked list. This is one of the most favorite data structure question from the interviewers. Let us take a look how to count the total number of nodes for a given linked list. So here is a linked list which contains three nodes with values 2, 4 and 5. So the idea behind counting this total number of nodes is that you keep pushing the head to the next node until it reaches the null value. So we are going to use while loop, and initially the head is pointing to 2, and we are going to use a count variable which will be 0. So now when we enter into the first loop, the head will be pointed now to the next node of 2, which happens to be 4 in this step, and the count variable will be incremented by 1. Once this is done, it goes back and checks if the current head, which happens to be 4, is not null. So if it's not null, then it will again enter inside and it will update the current head, which will start pointing to 5, and the count variable will be incremented once again to 2. Once this is done, it will go back and check if the head is null or not. So 5 is not null, so the head will now start pointing to null value, so we'll replace it with null, but the count variable will be incremented from 2 to 3. Once this is done, it goes back and checks if head is null or not, and yes, it will figure out that head is null. So the loop, it will come out of the loop and it will return the count variable. So thereby we find the total number of nodes present in the given linked list. If you wish to practice this, then you can go to the description that is mentioned at the bottom of the screen.